it's Rachel here from Rachel and Bella Crafts. I'm here to do an extra special video this afternoon. I am actually in Bella's craft room. And I've come up because Mum has made this beautiful journal, which I'm sure some of you have seen the photographs of on our Facebook group. And one of the lovely ladies on there has asked her to do a flip through. So Mum's been a bit of a chicken, so she's asked me to come up and do her flip through. And I haven't looked at it yet either, so this will be a nice treat. So let's have a little look at what she's done on the outside. So the cover she has made using vintage quilts. This is some of the selection of the fabrics that we've got on sale at the moment. So Mum likes to try before she sells rather than try before we buy. And she's done a really original binding technique with it as well by using the eyelets, and then she's crossed it over and got her sari silk then wrapped around that. So obviously the closure and the binding are all connected, but she's done it as well with elastic, so obviously that gives you options then on the inside. And then you've got a double lace fold then down the side. On the front we've got a lovely journal card that she's stitched, and she's added that to some fabric which she's tea dyed to age it, and then we've got a little decorative bow. So let's have a look on the inside. Let me just check you're in frame. I do apologise about the wobbling. We've got a bit of a temporary setup here and it is a bit cheeky. So in the front we've got this lovely pocket here that she's done with a bit of cardstock, and then she's covered that in this lovely lace. And in here we've got beautiful journaling card, and that tucks nicely in there. I love the way that the signatures fan across as well, the way that it all just sits nice and flat and everything's really accessible, rather than being, you know, big and bulky. It all just sits really nicely. She's used the cardstock here is from Stamperia, it's the House of Roses kit, and she's used that to make signatures, both the signatures as the signature covers. And on the front of this one here is the cutest little heart-shaped embellishment that she's made out of the same quilting from the cover. As you can see, there it is as well on the inside, and she's stitched all lace and bits and bobs on that. And then behind that then is a lovely pocket, which I believe she told me was made out of a coffee filter. Is that right?
Yes.
She thinks she's been interviewed by the BBC. And it's okay, don't be too formal, it's fine. And there's some lovely elements in there as well. And then here in the back, what have we got in here? Oh, that's cute. I like that. So that's a little Botanical Society envelope in there as well. And then we've got some more smaller pieces of ephemera so that you can write on there. Okay, so in here then we've got a kit here from Rachel from Roxy Creations. And then again, this is the back of the Stamperia paper.
That's a Tracy Fox one, that one.
Oh, and this is from Tracy Fox, right? Okay, great. So that's Tracy Fox ephemera. This is one of her specimen cards, which Mum's back then with some more of the Stamperia cardstock. And then here we've got a lovely little cluster, paper cluster that she's made with. She's stitched around that. Obviously, you've used your punch for that, haven't you, Mum, to make that. Mm-hmm. And we've got a nice bit of paper here. This is nice. I like this. This is a what have you used here? Corrugated paper, corrugated card. Oh, cardboard. Have you made that yourself? The corrugated.
Well, it's just off a piece of box.
Oh, right, okay. There we go.
Box.
So that's come off a cardboard box, but it's really effective.
Like bark.
Yeah, it looks like almost like the driftwood effect, but oh, that's great. And then you've stitched into that as well. So there's a lot of nice journaling space in here as well. Oh, I love this. I like that noise. And then here we've got another lovely tag. That's gorgeous. That's been stitched around as well. And then there's a little bit of fabric on there. And that goes in there with a little birdie. And that's back then with...
I think they're Rachel's...
That's Rachel from Roxy's, isn't it? Ah, right. Yes, they are.
I've just recently bought them.
That's right there. So they're from her bird kit as well, if you were looking for them. So we've got a botanical book page here. Another one of Roxy Creations pages there. Oh my goodness, I don't know if you can see that. Is that really clear on camera? Yeah. That there is from a kit that Mum bought last week. I'll put the link to this in the descriptions. And it's all laces, and it is absolutely beautiful. But the page almost shines at you as well. The detail on it is fantastic. We've got an Edith Holden page here. Another one of Roxy's pages there. I love that kit, it's beautiful. all the blues. Goes really well actually, doesn't it, Mum, with that lace on the back. So we've got some book pages. We've got a paper bag that's been coffee dyed. There's lots of space in here as well for journaling. Another one of the tags that Mum's made out of Roxy's kit. And, oh, I like that. That's really lovely. I love this. I'm going to have to try this lace pattern page. It's gorgeous. A bit more of our crinkly. Is that greaseproof paper you use there?
Yeah. Coffee dyed.
Coffee dye it. Brilliant. And then this in the middle, then I take it, is that an envelope you've used there?
Yeah.
And then you've collaged on the envelope. That's gorgeous.
Yeah, I haven't finished it yet because there's tags to go in here.
Okay. And oh, and we've got the window in there as well. Oh, that's
Yeah.
lovely. Oh, excellent. There we go. And then here we've got the back of the book page. And again, some more that lovely lace paper. And then we've got a stitched pocket then. And then here, is this a scrapbook?
I forget who did those now.
Oh, that's cute. Okay. So that's, if you can see what I just did there, that's a little flip book. The whole thing opens up, flips over, and then inside then you've got little pockets then to pop things into. Oh, and I can see them on the front now. And they tuck spots. That's great. They're lovely, they are. And again, tuck spots there. So you've got 4 pockets there in that little little piece of ephemera. That's lovely. And all that's done using book scraps, is it? Book page scraps. Fab. Okay. And then we got the rest of the bag. We've put in an altered paper clip there. Very nice. And you've used some of the papers on that. So that's great if you want to tuck something under there. And then we've got some more Edith Holden, lots of writing space again as well. Oh, I love this. What Mum's done here, she's taken some of the kilt, it's not a kilt, it's a quilt even, and stitched it onto some paper and some scrap here, and she's made like a little scrap cluster out of it. And then it's a little tuck spot, but that's really neat. I love that, that's great. That's fab. And then here we've got some more book page. Oh, this is lovely. Is that also out of Roxy's kit?
Yes.
That green, that's lovely.
Yeah,
That's really nice.
Yeah, I've only just discovered that, but I think she's had it on her shop for quite a while.
It's a nice colour, isn't it? The tone on it is great. And then this is the back of the first signature then. We've got another little envelope in here then that Mum's collaged inside and out of. Oh, that's lovely. I like that. That goes really nicely then with what's in there. And of course another one of Roxy's birds and some butterflies. So that's the first signature. Oh, that's a nice bit of detail there. So of course now going back to the outside, how obviously you can see now how the spine has been
You can
bound.
take these out.
So these can be removed,
Yeah,
they?
they can be removed, but I have stitched them.
Right, I can
They
see it
are
done.
stitched still.
Right, so each signature is independently stitched and bound, yeah? And then you've got the elastic then, which attaches it to the cover.
Yeah.
So you could switch and change. And obviously if you've used one and you want to put a new one in, you can switch that over as well. That's brilliant. But another quilted heart on it. That's lovely. I really like the way you've done that. That's gorgeous. Oh, and this lovely pattern stitch. Mum's discovered now this sewing machine has got all these lovely little patterns. So this one here has got little hearts all around the top. And that one there has got little flowers all around it. That's super cute. Oh, I like this. Oh, I've just been showing Mum about making mini material ruffles, and she's got one here made out of paper. I've already done it. That's super cute. And there's the butterfly on there. So that's a nice little envelope there. And then she's done another one here. Have you done that by folding the paper?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they've
Yeah,
got
pleating it, yeah.
pleating it. So we've got a mini paper ruffle there.
Yes, yes.
And then she's added some butterflies on here. And you've put one on there as well. Oh, these are lovely. And then we've got some more then of Roxy's kit. And some cute little embellishments here as well. I love these. And then, oh, that's lovely. That's out of that book page, isn't it, with the architectural drawings in.
Yeah.
That's really nice. And another crinkly page. And a lovely blue page there. So this is another coffee filter that Mum's folded in to make a pocket. And you've put that on a bag, haven't you?
That's on the bag. I'm just
Oh, right. There we go. So in here then we've got some lovely bits of small fat ephemera.
Sorry.
Mum ruffling in the background. She's going to grab me a bag, I think. Right, and then oh, that's cute. Oh, there we go. Right, so we've used a bag like...
Gail was using those and I was watching her.
Mm-hmm.
And when I ordered them, they came and they were tiny.
Are they meant to be the small?
Well, you could get them all sizes, I think.
Right, okay.
But,
so you've used this then, obviously,
yeah,
to make
I did it
this.
like that, so you can put ephemera in the top.
Oh, well, I just had a look at it. You know, it's lovely. And then obviously with the coffee filter on top. So that's 2 pockets in one then that we've got here.
Yeah.
And my gosh, there's loads of, because you can tuck there, you can tuck there, you can tuck there. So you can, oh, and here you've got multiple pockets here.
And that's a coffee filter.
With the coffee filter on top. That's lovely. I like that. I like that very much. And then here we've got another one of these cute little ruffles. And a nice journaling card.
I think it was an envelope, isn't it? Oh, it's not. No. It looked like an envelope.
I wasn't sure any of my glasses. Your eyes and my glasses, my gosh. Oh, that's a lovely tag. I like the pink on there. That's really nice. That's a nice journaling card there, or tag. And then another pocket. And we've got some more of this lovely book pages here. And then another envelope that you've collaged on.
Yeah.
That's lovely. Oh, and with the window in there as well. Oh, and this time the pockets are in the top. Oh, nice. I like that. And then, oh, I like your images you've got here. That's nice with a bit of a waterfall. And we got a little bit more then of that nice, I'm going to call it your driftwood, because that's what it reminds me of.
Picking out the yellow one.
Yeah, it's really lovely. It's a nice effect, isn't it? I wouldn't have thought using a cardboard box. It's brilliant. And then we've got another journal tag here. So you've got space to write on the back. Love that. And these birds are super cute. And the other half of the bag. And then we've got another one of these lovely little embellishments made from the quilting. I never thought of doing that. That's great. And then some vintage, a vintage envelope. Oh, there's some ephemera inside. That's so cute. Oh, look. Tiny, tiny little letter in there. So I've left that open so you can get that out. That's lovely. And then we've got another altered paper clip, which is great because you can slide something under there. And the other side of the book pages then. And then we're on to another pocket with a nice botanical tag on there. That's a lovely little envelope. I like the pansy pattern on there as well. Oh, that's a lovely page, isn't it? Lots of butterflies and lots of flowers. Oh, that's gorgeous. And then, oh, we got a lovely little fabric cluster here with a tiny, tiny little envelope on there. I don't know if you can see that envelope on there. That is so cute. And then to finish off then, we've got a nice tag in the back, so you can journal on that as well. And that's the back of the last signature. And then in the very, very back pocket, we've got a pocket here to match the one at the front. And a lovely journaling card in there. So there we go. So that there is Mum's latest journal, Bella's latest journal, I should say. Is it you going to put this on the Etsy shop? Or you can do that?
I think so.
Right, there we
I
go.
think it's...
Oh gosh, it's lovely. It's fabulous. So if you are looking out for it and you do like it, it will be on the Etsy shop, hopefully by the end of the week. She's just going to put a couple more tags in that one envelope and we're done. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll be back with you very soon. Take care now. Bye.